Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Microsoft Teams channels effectively. So first thing that you should do here is you have to make sure that you have logged in to your account, and then if you don't have an account yet, just have to create your Microsoft account. Okay, and then here just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Microsoft Teams and then log in. Okay, so here we can start by organizing the topic or your other projects. Okay, so to do that, you can create separate channels for subjects, um, projects, or departments. Okay, for example, we are going to create a general channel. For example, this one, or you can also create assignments, group project, or marketing. So, for example, we already have here an existing team. So, if you want to create a new channel, just have to simply click on it. That's right. And then just simply click on the add channel. Okay. So, for the channel name, I'm just going to name this one as assignment. That's right. And then here you can also add a description so that you can help others find the right channel by providing a description. That's right. And then here you can also choose a channel type. So we have standard, so everyone in the team has access. We also have the shared, so people in teams in your organization or outside your org can have access as well. And then for the private, we can only have specific people on the team can access this one. So let's say we have a standard one. That's right. And then for the layout, we have the threads and the posts. So for this one, I'm just going to use the post option. And then just simply click on create. Okay, so this keeps conversation focused and avoids mixing everything in one place. Now, the next thing that we are going to do here is to use the general channel for announcement. So for example, we already have here our general channel. So we can this makes it easy for everyone to find the key information without scrolling through casual chats. So to post in channel, you just have to simply click on this post in channel option. Okay, and then you also have here your files. So if you want to upload your files right here on this specific channel, just have to simply click on the upload option. We also have here the notes. And then if you would like to add apps, just have to click on this add tab option. Then we can add here OneNote, Planner, Whiteboard, and etc. And then if you would like to see more apps or get more apps, you just have to simply click on the get more apps option. Okay, so let me just close this section. And of course, you can also pin and favorite your channels. So pin frequently used channels at the top so that you can access them quickly. So for example, this channel right here. Okay, so we have here the settings for this channel. So for example, here we have this show in option. So we can add this to the favorites so that we can access this one immediately. Okay, so this one is very helpful if you belong to multiple teams or projects. Now, here we can also like use dimensions and the tags so that we can notify the right people. So for example, you're just going to, search for their names and then just use the at icon. And then this ensures that no one will miss the important updates. Next thing that we are going to do here is the Files tab for collaboration. So all of your files uploaded in the channels are saved under your Files tab. So for example, let's go in this channel right here. So just go to the Files section. That's right. So all of the files that you are going to upload here, okay? So this all of those files will be seen under this section. So just make sure to always share documents here instead of private chats so everyone has access to the latest version. So to add your documents right here, just have to simply click on the new option or the upload option. Okay, so for example, new, we have folder, can upload Word document, Excel workbook, and then we also have PowerPoint presentation, OneNote notebook. And then to upload your file, just simply click on this one. And then you have these options. So we have files, folder, and template. Now, for the meetings and notes, we can start meetings directly from a channel. So, for example, this is our channel. That's right. And then you have this icon at the top. So, to start a meeting, immediately just simply click on this Meet Now option. And then here you can also correct, okay, if you spell your channel, so you can edit that right here at the top, and then make sure to turn on your camera and then your audio. So just simply click on this join now option after that. That's right. And then here you can copy the meeting link. You can also add participants, and then you can share this via default email. Okay, so you can start recording the chat, and then notes will automatically stay in the channel for easy reference. Okay, so right here also at the top, you can use these sections. So for example, on the chat, you would like to give instructions to the people that you are having a meeting. So you can add here message so that you won't need to interrupt the presenter during the meeting. Okay, so let's just leave this section. Now right here, okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is we can also use tabs and apps. So we can add useful apps as tabs in your channel. So let's go back to this channel right here. So just simply click on this add a tab option. Okay, so for example, you would like to add planner for task. We can also add here OneNote for notes and forms for surveys. Okay, so if you would like to see all of the apps that you can add to your channel, just simply click on the see all option. That's right. So this turns your channel into a one-stop hub for everything your team needs. That's right. So let's just close this section. And then, of course, the last one is to keep it clean and structured. So you can ask members to reply in threads instead of starting a new post. Okay, so you just have to tell them that. And then this makes the discussion easier to follow and keeps the channel organized. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.